Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and show you how to set up for the first time this eufy pet. This is a pet camera with AI dog tracking camera and treat dispenser and two-way audio. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now there is a piece of plastic. Make sure you take that piece of plastic off. We have a power cord. We're going to have to plug this into a wall outlet, and we got to plug this into the bottom of it. Now the cord is 69 inches long. You can plug it into 100 to 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz. Output is 12 volts, 1 amp. Up top here, here's a cover. This is where all the treats are going to be. There's like some mechanism there that's going to help. We have a release button here. Let's figure out what that is. There's a QR code you're going to scan to set up on the bottom. The power cord is going to go right here. And again, this opens up, but I'm not sure what that is. That's for cleaning. So there might be some residual residue from the dog treats down there. So put that little cover on. And then this just slides like this. So that's for cleaning. Looks like there are these little sticky pads that come off. The base 5.5 inches, and it stands 10 inches. The camera is about 8. The treat dispenser is about 5. All right, so let's plug it in. Plug it in. Cable comes out the back. That's going to be important because it's going to rotate. Right now, that's a green LED light, and it changed to blue, and now it's turning like a calibration. Now, this does require the eufy Pet app, not the eufy Security or Clean app, but the eufy Pet. When you log into the eufy Pet app, it does take the same username and password as your eufy Security app or your eufy Clean app. And the first thing you're going to see is add device. And so this is the N140. Okay, so I scanned the QR code on the bottom of the device. It's plugged in. Now it wants me to press the sync button for 2 seconds until I hear a beep. All right, it beeped. Okay, give it the Wi-Fi network and password. All right, setup is done. Okay, so now it says the treat that you use should be firm and about 0.26 inches to 0.6 inches. So let's try these crazy dog. And yeah, they're under a 1/2 inch, almost a 1/2 inch. And they're not super thicky. They're about a 1/4 inch thick. So that would meet the guidelines. So 0.24 is about a 1/4 inch, and 0.6 is just a little bit more than a 1/2 inch. I mean, these were under that. And they're firm. They're a little squishy. That's I'm really having to press them. So I think they're firm. Okay, let's pour some treats in. Wow, it can hold a bunch of treats. Yeah, that's a lot of treats. All right, let's put the lid on. Okay, there's a flat spot. So the flat spot goes forward. This tab goes to the back. Okay, so here's the app. You're going to pull this down. It drops them in there. Oh, that's awesome. So it drops them in there first, and then it shoots them. I want you to see it. See it drop them down in there, and then it shoots them out. Let's see how far they go. Wow. Now again, that's a camera. I can speak to my pet. It can sense motion. That's just so, and let's see. And I can turn it. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, sometimes it just does one. It even has tracking. So right now it's tracking me, but it could track your dog. You got to turn that off. It's off by default. Okay, so I turned the camera off in the app. You could unplug it, but I emptied out the treats. This is a release, so we can so press this button and pull. Oh, that's cool. So I can rinse this out. Those are really soft gears. So if I needed to clean this, I could. I would definitely want to let it dry. Huh. This thing is really cool. Wow. I think it even has a sensor to let you know when it's, yeah. Maybe when you're getting low on getting low on dog treats. Okay, I'm super excited. This thing there are so many features in the app, so many things you can do, set up commands. It shows you what days you'd send a treat. It has barking notifications. This thing looks super cool. These seem to work really well. Crazy dog training, train me, treats. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.